slowly connect it to my brows.
So guys, we are going to watch Dodos's fox eye tutorial and then follow it. So let's see what she says and then do exactly what she says, okay? I'm going to play the video now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Dodos here. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. That's my girl. Share this video if you like. She's so good. You guys should follow her, Dodos. I'm sure you're following her already.
So guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how I created this fox eye makeup look. It's super cute, super easy, and it's been trending on YouTube and Instagram. I love this look. I've been rocking it lately.
So I've already watched this, so I'm going to scroll through to the part where she does the eye look, because she's about to do her skin and we are done with our skin, so we need to. So yeah, she's going in with a concealer to prep her eyelid, which we have done already. Oh, let me do that again. She used Too Faced. I'm going to use Too Faced as well, but I am using the shade Chestnut, and then using my rosé sponge, I'm setting my concealer with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. Let me see what she's doing again. Okay, she's using an eyeshadow palette, and she's using an orange shade from that palette. So I'm going to take this Juvias Place palette, and then I will use this orange shade, this one here. So she's putting that all over her crease and on her eyelid. So I'm going to do the same.
Slowly connect it to my brows.
Okay, she's connecting that to her. She connected the eyeshadow to her brows, this side. So I'm going to do the same. So now she's taking...
For the fox eye makeup look, I'll be using this dark brown eyeshadow in a flat angled brush, and I'm just going to create and elongate my inner teardrop.
So now she's using a darker eyeshadow with an angled brush. So I'm going to take this dark shade in the palette, this dark shade here, and taking my CVL Beauty Dual Brow Sculpt. It has an angle brush at one end and then a spoolie at the other end. So I'm going to take the brush and take the dark brown, and she put this
at the beginning of my eyes like so.
So she put this at the beginning of her eyes. Yeah, and then now she's doing that. She's doing something else.
I'm going to use the same brush just to create a wing liner, but I'm making this wing liner to be high. I'm not taking it from under my eyes. I'm taking it on top of my eyes, and I'm pulling that outwards. And you can...
Okay, so right now she's doing a wing liner, but she's not taking it from the middle. She's doing it at the top. So wait, let me see how her brush is on.
That there's a gap in the middle of my eyes. That's how to create that perfect fox eye look.
So she's starting from the top of the lash, not at the bottom but a little bit above, and then she's placing I feel like I don't know if I'm using the right tool. Okay, I need to stamp it. Yeah, so like that at the top, so you can see there's a space here, and that's exactly what she did. The tip is not so sharp. Wait. I'm using my fingernail to clean off any transfer at the bottom, and also just to sharpen. Yeah, to sharpen that line up. She's taking a mascara to give her lashes volume, so I'm doing the same thing now.
That's why I really love this eye look, because you can use one eyelash and get away with it. So I divide that into half, I put my glue on it, and I'll just move the lashes to the outer corner right on top of that eyeliner that I created earlier. And this just gives that illusion that your eyes are wider and longer.
Okay, so now she has taken a lash and then she's cutting it into two and then putting that at the end of the lashes. So I'm going to take this Male Beauty lashes. This is in the style Fabulous. I just hope it will work with a look. So I'm going to use that. Let me just analyze this. I've cut it into two, and now I'm going to put that at the end just as she is doing. Yeah. Yeah. This one looks fuller, right? Guys, so I took off this pair because I felt like it was too fluffy, it was too full, because the aim is to get a natural look. So looking at Dodos's look, I had to take it off and cut the other pair and use the front part, which has a smaller like beginning, and use that instead. I feel like that would give a better look, just like this one, than me using the tail end, because this lashes is quite full. So I'm going to apply that. Yeah. Yes. And I think Dodos is done with the look. She just finished up with her lips, which was a nude look. I'm going to do that too. This brown pencil. In fact, for this look, I'm going to put this all over my lip. And then take this lip gloss. I was going to clean the lip, but yeah, I think we'll go with this. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this I Try Dodos's Foxy Eye makeup look. If you guys enjoyed it, thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios, bye.